Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Teddy with Paradise Spas of Florida, Lake Worth Beach. Today, I want to go over you with a feature that is now being presented and coming up within the hot tub industry, one that's pretty predominant, one that's pretty effective. It is one of the most important features I believe that actually exists within the hot tub industry. And what that is being is actually the ozone and UV light generator. And why do people want it? Why is it so important? What's going on with it? How does it work? Stuff like that. So, when we dive into this, the biggest portion of the ozone and UV light generator is actually the cleanliness. How clean do you want your hot tub? How clean do you want to be yourself? It's a big cleanliness tool. It presents a lot of health benefits whenever it comes to whether or not bacteria is growing, or whether or not you have pathogens, any of those kinds of things. So let's dive into the UV light portion first. What does it do? What's the big thing whenever it comes to UV light? So UV light actually targets the DNA, and it actually disrupts the sequence within the pathogens, within the virus. And how does it go about that? Well, it stops their reproduction cycle. And that's a really big thing, because whenever it comes to having bacteria in any kind of source of water, we're really trying to fight that. And if we can stop the reproduction, at least we now have a more manageable and controllable environment that we can actually combat. Now, moving on from that, after the disruption of the reproduction cycle, we'll go into the ozone cycle, or more so the ozone generation. So it converts O2 molecules to O3 molecules. Now, what does that actually do? So this portion is all about taking out the problem. So really what it does is it kills the bacteria, kills the viruses, any of the pathogens that are in there. It takes care of those as well. So this is actually trying to get rid of. So first we stop the reproduction, and then we start slowly tapering down, which is very, very important. Taking out all of those bacteria or organic compounds, or inorganic compounds to some degree within your hot tub, helping your filtration system, helping you live a healthier life, helping you keep a very, very clean system within your hot tub. When people come and ask me about it, they're constantly asking, well, what? I mean, what's the point in even really having that? I can always just drain my tub. I can always, there's different filters. You got some new proprietary filters that have like copper, zinc, mineral cartridges in them and stuff like that. They're pretty cool, but really, in reality, it's going to do a couple other effective tools as well. So, like with the ozone generator, whenever we're converting those O3 molecules over, it actually helps with smell as well. So, like chlorinated smell being a primary example, it's oxidizing the water to a level to where you're not having that chlorinated smell as much anymore. You're also not having to produce as much chemicals to level out your hot tub. It helps with reduction of that. And then the last portion of it is actually, if you don't have as much bacteria and as much debris within your hot tub and all these microorganisms, there's a less likely need to change out your filter as early as possible. So you might be able to actually extend your filter life by an extra month. So not only are you saving on chemicals, but you're extending your filter life. All of these things are extremely important whenever it comes to saving a dollar. So in reality, this is something I think that needs to be talked about a lot. You can always ask me questions, comments, concerns. Just hit me up here. If anything else, thank you very much. We appreciate your time.